Let's begin by understanding what a narrative essay truly is. A narrative essay is a unique form of academic writing where the writer recounts a real or imagined experience. Unlike descriptive essays that simply paint a picture, narrative essays tell a story with a clear purpose. The goal is not just to describe what happened, but to explore why the experience matters. Through storytelling, the writer weaves together events, emotions, and reflections, creating a meaningful journey for the reader. This blend of storytelling and academic structure is what sets narrative essays apart, making them both engaging and insightful. Narrative essays serve a distinct purpose in academic writing. They are designed to share experiences that have significance, whether personal or imagined. The writer's aim is to not only recount events, but also to reflect on their meaning and impact. This reflection helps readers connect with the story on a deeper level, understanding both the events and their broader implications. By combining storytelling with thoughtful analysis, narrative essays encourage readers to see beyond the surface and appreciate the lessons or insights gained from the experience. Craft a compelling narrative essay. It's essential to understand its core elements: plot, setting, theme, characters, and narrative style. Each of these components plays a vital role in shaping the essay's structure and impact. The plot provides the sequence of events, the setting grounds the story in a specific time and place, the theme reveals the underlying message, characters bring the story to life, and the narrative style determines how the story is told. Mastering these elements ensures your narrative essay is both coherent and engaging. Plot is the backbone of any narrative essay. It refers to the sequence of events that shape the story. In most cases, the plot unfolds in a logical and chronological order, guiding the reader through the experience step by step. However, writers can also use techniques like flashbacks or reflection to add depth and interest. A well-structured plot keeps the narrative focused and ensures that every event contributes to the central message or theme. Avoiding unnecessary details helps maintain clarity and keeps the reader engaged from start to finish. Strong narrative plot typically follows a classic structure: exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. The exposition introduces the context and main situation, setting the stage for what's to come. Rising action presents challenges or conflicts that build tension leading up to the climax, the turning point or most significant moment. After the climax, the falling action shows the aftermath, and the resolution ties up loose ends, revealing the outcome and its implications. This structure helps readers follow the story and understand its significance. Exposition is where your narrative essay begins. Here you introduce the context, background, and main situation that will drive your story. This section sets the tone and provides essential information, helping readers understand the setting and characters before the main events unfold. A clear and engaging exposition draws readers in, making them eager to follow your journey. By establishing the groundwork early, you ensure that the rest of your essay flows smoothly and logically. For the exposition, the rising action takes center stage. This is where you introduce a conflict, challenge, or series of events that build tension and keep readers invested. The rising action is crucial for developing the story's momentum, as each event or obstacle pushes the narrative forward. By carefully crafting this section, you create anticipation and set the stage for the story's climax. Remember, the rising action should always relate back to your central theme or message. Climax is the most intense and pivotal moment in your narrative essay. It's the turning point where the main conflict reaches its peak and the outcome hangs in the balance. This is the moment that readers have been anticipating, and it should deliver a powerful emotional or intellectual impact. A well-executed climax not only resolves the central conflict, but also reveals the deeper meaning behind the experience. It's the highlight of your story, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. Following the climax, the falling action guides readers through the aftermath of the turning point. This section shows how the characters respond to the events of the climax and begins to resolve any remaining issues. The falling action helps transition the story toward its conclusion, tying up loose ends and clarifying the consequences of the central conflict. By providing closure, you ensure that your narrative essay feels complete and satisfying. Resolution is where your narrative essay comes to a close. Here, you reveal the outcome of the experience and reflect on its significance. This is your opportunity to share the lessons learned, insights gained, or changes that resulted from the events. A thoughtful resolution not only wraps up the story but also leaves readers with something to ponder. By connecting the resolution to your central theme, you give your essay lasting impact and meaning. Maintaining focus is essential in narrative essay writing. Every detail, event, and reflection should contribute to your central message or theme. Avoid including unnecessary information that distracts from the main story. By staying focused, you ensure that your essay remains coherent and impactful, guiding readers smoothly from beginning to end. This discipline helps your narrative resonate more deeply and keeps your audience engaged throughout. Setting of your narrative essay establishes the time, place, and context in which your story unfolds. A well-chosen setting provides the backdrop for your events and helps readers visualize the experience. By clearly identifying where and when the story takes place, you create a vivid and immersive atmosphere. The setting also supports the significance of the experience, grounding your narrative in a specific reality. Sensory details are powerful tools in narrative essays. By describing sights, sounds, smells, and textures, you bring your setting to life and engage your readers' senses. Select sensory details that are relevant and enhance the story rather than overwhelming the narrative with unnecessary description. Thoughtful use of sensory language helps readers feel present in the moment, making your essay more vivid and memorable. Providing contextual information is key to helping readers understand the significance of your narrative. This includes background details about the setting, cultural context, or relevant circumstances that influence the story. By offering just enough context, you make your narrative more relatable and meaningful, allowing readers to connect with your experience on a deeper level. A well-developed setting does more than just provide a backdrop, it enhances the entire narrative. The right setting can influence the mood, shape the character's actions, and reinforce the central theme. By thoughtfully selecting and describing your setting, you add depth and dimension to your essay, making the story more engaging and impactful for your readers. Every narrative essay should have a clear theme, the central message or insight that ties the story together. The theme gives your essay purpose and direction, guiding the selection of events and reflections. Whether it's a lesson learned, a realization, or a universal truth, the theme helps readers understand why your story matters. Identifying your theme early on ensures that your narrative remains focused and meaningful. To develop a strong theme, reflect on the deeper meaning behind your experience. Ask yourself what you learned, how you changed, or what insight you gained. Use specific events and reflections to illustrate your theme throughout the essay. By weaving the theme into every part of your narrative, you create a cohesive and impactful story that resonates with readers. Characters are the heart of any narrative essay. Whether you're writing about yourself or others, well-developed characters make your story relatable and engaging. Describe their personalities, motivations, and actions to help readers connect with them. By showing how characters respond to events, you add depth and realism to your narrative, making it more compelling and memorable. Effective character development involves more than just physical descriptions. Show how your characters think, feel, and grow throughout the story. Use dialogue, actions, and inner thoughts to reveal their personalities and motivations. By allowing characters to evolve in response to events, you create a dynamic and engaging narrative that keeps readers invested. Narrative style is the voice and tone you use to tell your story. It can be formal or informal, reflective or straightforward, depending on your audience and purpose. A consistent narrative style helps unify your essay and makes it easier for readers to follow. Choose a style that fits your story and enhances its impact, ensuring your voice comes through clearly. Point of view determines how your story is told. Most narrative essays use the first person, allowing you to share personal experiences directly. However, third-person narration can also be effective, especially when writing about others. Choose the point of view that best suits your story and helps you connect with your audience. Strong narrative essay balances dialogue and description. Dialogue brings characters to life and reveals their personalities, while description sets the scene and conveys emotions. Use both elements thoughtfully to create a dynamic and engaging narrative. Too much dialogue can overwhelm the story, while too much description can slow the pace. Striking the right balance keeps your essay lively and readable. Narrative essays can be structured chronologically, following events in order, or nonlinearly, using flashbacks or reflection. Chronological structure is straightforward and easy to follow, while nonlinear techniques can add depth and interest. Choose the structure that best fits your story and helps convey your message effectively. Flashbacks are a powerful tool in narrative essays. They allow you to revisit past events, providing context or insight that enriches the main story. Use flashbacks sparingly and clearly signal when you're shifting in time, so readers can easily follow the narrative. Well-placed flashbacks add depth and complexity to your essay. Coherence is crucial in narrative essay writing. Each paragraph should flow logically from one to the next, with clear transitions that guide readers through the story. Use transitional words and phrases to connect events, ideas, and reflections. A coherent narrative keeps readers engaged and ensures your message comes across clearly. Clarity is essential for effective storytelling. Use precise language and avoid ambiguity, ensuring that readers understand the events, characters, and themes. Break complex ideas into manageable parts and explain them clearly. By prioritizing clarity, you make your narrative essay accessible and enjoyable for a wide audience. Reflection is a key component of narrative essays. Go beyond simply recounting events, analyze their significance, and share your insights. Reflect on what you learned, how you changed, or why the experience mattered. This deeper level of analysis adds meaning to your story and helps readers connect with your journey. While details are important, it's crucial to avoid including information that doesn't serve your central message. Unnecessary details can distract readers and dilute the impact of your story. Focus on what's relevant and ensure every element of your essay contributes to the overall theme or reflection. Choosing the right experience to write about is the foundation of a strong narrative essay. Select an event or moment that had a significant impact on you or offers valuable insights. The best narratives are those that are meaningful to the writer and can resonate with readers, offering lessons or perspectives worth sharing. Before you start writing, take time to plan your narrative. Outline the main events, characters, and themes you want to include. Consider the structure and how each part will contribute to your central message. A clear plan helps you stay organized and ensures your essay flows smoothly from start to finish. With your plan in place, begin drafting your narrative essay. Focus on getting your ideas down without worrying too much about perfection. Let the story unfold naturally, capturing the key events, emotions, and reflections. Remember, the first draft is just the beginning. You'll have plenty of opportunities to revise and improve your essay later. Revision is where your narrative essay truly takes shape. Review your draft for coherence, ensuring that each part flows logically and supports your central message. Look for areas where transitions can be improved, details clarified, or reflections deepened. Revising helps you refine your story and make it as engaging and impactful as possible. Editing focuses on clarity, grammar, and style. Check your essay for spelling and grammatical errors, awkward phrasing, or unclear sentences. Make sure your language is precise and your narrative style consistent. Careful editing ensures your essay is polished and professional, ready to make a strong impression on readers. Getting feedback from others can greatly improve your narrative essay. Share your draft with peers, teachers, or mentors and ask for their input. Fresh perspectives can help you identify areas for improvement, clarify your message, and strengthen your storytelling. Use constructive feedback to refine your essay before submitting the final version. Once you've revised and edited your essay, it's time to finalize it. Review your work one last time to ensure everything is in place, your plot is clear, your setting vivid, your theme evident, and your reflections insightful. A well-crafted narrative essay leaves a lasting impression, inviting readers to reflect on their own experiences and insights. Be aware of common pitfalls in narrative essay writing. These include straying from the central theme, overloading the essay with irrelevant details, neglecting character development, or failing to reflect on the experience's significance. By recognizing and avoiding these mistakes, you can create a more focused, engaging, and meaningful narrative. Feedback is a valuable tool for improving your narrative essay. Listen to suggestions with an open mind and consider how they can help you clarify your message or enhance your storytelling. Not all feedback needs to be implemented, but thoughtful consideration can lead to a stronger, more polished essay. Your narrative voice is what makes your essay unique. As you revise and edit, pay attention to your tone, word choice, and style. Aim for a voice that is authentic, engaging, and appropriate for your audience. A strong narrative voice draws readers in and makes your story memorable. Proper formatting enhances the readability and professionalism of your narrative essay. Use clear headings, paragraphs, and consistent font styles. Follow any specific guidelines provided by your instructor or institution. Well-formatted essays are easier to read and make a positive impression on your audience. Before submitting your narrative essay, double-check all requirements and ensure your work is complete. Attach any necessary documents, follow submission guidelines, and keep a copy for your records. Submitting a polished, well-structured essay demonstrates your commitment to quality and academic excellence. Writing a narrative essay is a learning experience in itself. Reflect on what you discovered about yourself, your writing process, and your storytelling abilities. Each essay you write helps you grow as a writer, building skills that will serve you in future academic and personal projects. Skills you develop through narrative essay writing extend beyond the classroom. Storytelling, reflection, and clear communication are valuable in many areas of life, from professional settings to personal relationships. By mastering narrative essays, you enhance your ability to connect with others and share your experiences effectively. Before you finish, use a checklist to ensure your narrative essay includes all essential elements: a clear plot, vivid setting, well-developed characters, a central theme, and thoughtful reflection. Check for coherence, clarity, and proper formatting. A comprehensive checklist helps you catch any missing pieces and produce your best work. Sum up: narrative essay writing is a blend of storytelling and academic structure. By focusing on plot, setting, theme, characters, and style, you can craft essays that are both engaging and meaningful. Remember to reflect on your experiences, maintain coherence, and revise your work for clarity. With practice, you'll become a more confident and effective narrative writer. Now that you have a detailed overview of narrative essay writing, it's time to start your own journey. Choose an experience that matters to you, plan your story, and let your unique voice shine through. With each essay, you'll gain new insights and skills, making your writing more powerful and impactful. Happy writing.